Hi, I'm Heather with Heather Lang Homes, and it's May. It's gorgeous out. We had a really beautiful April, so it is time to get out into the yard this month. So some home maintenance tips for you as we move into May. First, number one, make sure that your AC is working. We're going to start having weather heat up a bit. So this is a great time to wash down your AC unit. It is okay to do that, but don't take a brush to it. Just wash it down, and you want to make sure that you don't bend those fins. So just washing that down, getting the dust away. Believe it or not, dust does have an effect on your air conditioner's functionality. So washing that down is a good thing, and it's also a great time to change your filter at the intake location inside the house. The next thing that you want to focus on is it's time to plant your garden. So time to plant your tomatoes and your vegetables. And also it would be a great time to add 2 to 4 inches of mulch to keep your moisture in your dirt and also suppress weeds. So nice thing to take care of in May. And then the other thing that is a great time to do this time of year is wash the windows. Our rainy season is typically over by this time of the year, so it's a great time to make sure that your windows are clean inside and out. Make sure you vacuum the tracks, clean all of the tracks and all your screens, and you will find yourself enjoying May even more after doing these great home maintenance items. Have a great rest of your May, and if you have any questions or if you need any vendors or contractors to help you with these items, these can still be done with social distancing in place. Many of these chores need to be taking place outside as well, and so reach out to me. I've got vendors that can help. 408-207-3130. I'm Heather at Heather Lang Homes. You can text me, email me, message me. I'm here to help.